Is DFLI going to be yet another stock which you're going to stay stuck in and you're going to just be praying every single day that it hits your break-even entry? What's up, friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing DFLI and whether or not it can recover to its previous levels, which it achieved today, or is this a ticker which you just cut your losses from and walk away from? So without further ado, let's get into it. Today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a stock analysis based on the news that the ticker ran from the 20 cent levels all the way upwards of the 50 cent levels, up over a whopping 150% on the day. Insane. Then we're going to be talking about the what, going over the company's finances, going over their short interest, going over their dilution information, all those goodies, okay? Then the where, we're going to be heading back to the charts, talking about the RSI, talking about the VWAP, talking about the ball in the bands, talking about the volume and all the goodies like that, okay? Where to get in, where to get out. That's where things will get juicy for you. So without further ado, I would appreciate if you do hit that thumbs up button. Hit it. I'm waiting. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, the people that hit it. And the people that didn't hit it, I understand, all right? I understand. The like button is something sacred. You know, it will be crazy. It's pretty much a vote. You know, it's a vote of confidence in the video. So I understand why you guys are holding back your like, but I promise you I'll earn it by the end of this video. So let's get into it. So the why is always the first, because in order to anticipate where a given ticker is headed and whether or not it's going to have a multi-day run, we first need to understand whether or not the reason why it was running in the first place actually had any, you know, A, longevity to the move, B, any actual, you know, credibility, right? Or was it just a stock that was running based off of a pump, right? A volume pump. Why did the company run 150%, right? Why did it run 150%? Okay, so when we head to the news section, we see that Dragonfly Energy actually has managed to harness the power of the sun. No, they have not managed to harvest the power of the sun. Okay? That was a Spider-Man 1 reference for you guys. They have not. They have not. Do you know what they have done? Do you know what they've done? Nothing. No news. No news at all. There's no news at all. The stock was about 150% based off of no news at all. Okay? Not a filing, not a this, none of that. Let's go over here. Let's look at the filings. No filing. No filing. No filing, no filing, no filing, no filing, no filing, no filing anymore. Okay? No filing at all. Right? So right away, we're going to put the news, breaking news, as bad. Volatility. Let's talk about the volatility of the stock. The company does only have a market cap of $2.3 million. That's super volatile. So for volatility, we're going to put it as amazing. Now, let's talk about cash. Cash, cash, cash. Cash is king, right? You know what they say. The numbers I'm about to show you are based off of their most recent SEC filings. The company right now has negative $1.3 million. Negative $1.3 million in their cash and cash equivalents. If something is free, this company can't afford it. You bought this ticker. Don't look at me. You bought it. All right, you bought it. Okay? Operating expenses every quarter, $4.51 million. They have negative cash. Okay, they owe a month of holdings. They owe a month of operating expenses. It's crazy. Okay, so right away, we're going to put the cash as horrible. Now, institutional ownership. The institutional ownership of this company is sitting at 3%. I already looked that up. I'm going to go over here. That's also bad. Okay. Anything sub 1% is horrible. 1 to 10% is bad. 10 to 20% is okay. 20% plus is good. 50% plus or 40% plus is amazing. Just so you guys know what numbers we're going based off of. Likelihood of dilution. Oh, look at this. Historically, these motherfuckers love to rug pull. Their overhead supply is also massive. I wonder what happened here. I wonder why this ticker just went and it diarrhea down from the 40 cent levels all the way down to 20 cents. I wonder what happened. Well, I'm here to tell you what happened. The company has no money. They have a massive overhead supply. So what did they do? They went ahead and they just added to the supply to raise money. And sooner than later, you're going to see an 8K coming out stating this. Now, what I'm saying is just based off of nothing, okay? I'm just saying allegedly they did this. We don't know yet. But once the 8K comes out, You're going to see, oh, from this date to this date, we sold a gajillion shares at a share price of 25 cents per share. You're going to see that, okay? Allegedly. So overall, what do I think about this dog shit ticker DFLI? I think that pre-market Monday come, it can test 25 cents. It's not getting above 30 cents, okay? It's not getting above 30 cents, not happening. And it's way below the dollar level. Sooner than later, they're going to announce a reverse split. The announcement of reverse split is going to cause the stock to come down to like, potentially 10 cents-ish, 15 cents-ish. Where I would buy it is post-reverse split, I would buy it around 10 cents. And I would play that level for a 10% bounce upwards. Bam, that's it, easy money. That's how I would play it. You can do whatever you like. Let's talk about the short interest on DFLI. What are the shorts doing? So likelihood of dilution is also bad. What are the shorts doing? The shorts have added 7% of their position. Relatively flat, but look at this. The past 7 days, the short interest is up. It's up 400 fucking percent, guys. The short interest is up 400%. The short interest is up 400%. That's what the short interest is up. This is not good. A lot of you guys may think, oh, so it's the shorts. No, it's not the shorts. The shorts don't just add to their position. The shorts add to their position when they know stock is shit. Okay, that's what they do. And they added 400% of their position. Not good. Again, not good, man. Not good. And I know a lot of you guys want to come on and say, Sam, every stock you talk about is bad. No. That that would be cool. That would be cool if we'll go top trader. Right? Like that would be cool if this video didn't exist. So that's because the company has a micro float and it's previously shown us over and over again as mega or not a mega float, a micro float. Okay, that's the opposite of mega. The company has a micro float and it's previously shown us over and 70% at sitting approximately around the $5.80 levels, but I think that it can easily test the $10 levels. That was WHLR. Okay, 580. I called it. I said it's going to 10. Look at where we went today. Look at this bad boy. All right. So the reality is that majority of the stock I talk about, the moves already came and went. And I'm not here in the mornings dancing and making YouTube videos for you guys. I'm here trading. I'm a trader first, content creator second. I'll repeat this. I'm a trader first, businessman second, content creator for my business. That's what I do. That's why I'm not here singing and dancing and showcasing my life, because I'm not a fucking YouTuber. That's why I don't do a day in the life. I'm not a YouTuber. And when I make these videos, the only reason I make these videos is so you actually join my Discord and you trade with me and I make you money. That's it. That's it. I don't care about this ticker. I didn't trade this ticker today because it was garbage. But I know a bunch of people who know nothing about nothing traded it and they lost money on it. And I'm here talking to those people saying, hey, listen, join our community. We have lessons. We have one-on-one access. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Give it a shot. We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons. 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. We have over 400 members coming back month after month after month. Why? Because people are making money and people are learning. That's why, okay? And I'll tell you this, for sure we don't trade shitty stocks like DFLI. Or if we do, we trade them for very, very cheap. Like look at this, for example. DFLI. We were playing a breakout, okay? We were playing a breakout this morning and it never hit. It never entered. We never got to enter at 52 cents. So we were trying to play the breakout on DFLI this morning. And it sucks because if it had broken those levels, it would have gone insane. It would have maybe tested $1. Right? So we're trying to play the breakout of these levels at 47 to 50 cents-ish, jumping in at 52 cents, right? But guess what? It never hit, right? So our position never got filled. It's that simple. And that's it, okay? Sometimes you set an alert, it doesn't hit, and you stay on the sidelines. Because remember, right? One of the things that I always tell you guys is not trading is also trading, right? Not trading is also trading. A lot of you guys are on your computers, a lot of you guys are on the charts, or on Webull, or on Moomoo, or on Robinhood, and you get jittery. You see a stock moving, and you just get jittery. You're like, oh my God, it's moving without me. I need the money. That's you. I don't, I'm fine. I'm fine standing on the sideline and watching the stock go up. I'm fine. It's perfectly fine by me. Okay? And I think that that's what you guys got to understand as well, is that trade the best, leave the rest. Trade the best, leave the rest. And what does that mean? That means that sometimes you set a limit order and it doesn't get filled. And that's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with your order not getting filled. Okay? But anyways, Top Trade Academy, check it out, guys. We have people from all account sizes. My man Josiah, this is literally, when is this? This is like a couple of days ago. Friday last week, actually. He said, not 150 this week, not bad. And then right above that, he's like, my man Conan is like, Top Trade Academy for recommending buy $46,000. It's pretty funny. Pretty crazy stuff. Anyways, I wish you guys the best of luck. Remember, don't give up, don't quit. Okay? 90% of traders quit before they become profitable. It's not that 90% of traders are not unprofitable. That's the reality of the matter. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Trade Academy.